Decisions made in board meetings, when the data is in front of you, become more impactful over time when they're recorded and stored in the context of financial information they relate to. This last demonstration section will be short. It focuses on how Sage Intacct provides for conversations stored in the context of the financial records. In our sample company, the family is asked for a review of operating expenses in the RPB Alternatives Investment Fund. They've noticed an expense uptick versus the prior quarter. Drilling down, we see that there was a $4,100 professional services fee. Drilling down further, we see that there was an appraisal fee of $3,500 paid to Applebaum Heimelstein. On the transaction, we see a conversation in Collaborate. Emma asked Tom, "What piece was the appraisal for?" Tom responded, "This was on the Albert Olin piece to confirm a rumored drop in the value of his work." Appraisal confirmed the drop. Back on the dashboard, we see a confirmation of the drop in value for this collectible. If we go down to the collaboration feed on the dashboard, we can document this for future conversations. We can post something like, "Increase in operating expenses due to appraisal confirmed a drop in value of Olin piece." We can then take a snapshot of the chart and store it with the conversation. Even as the chart continues to roll forward in future reporting periods, we have a record for future conversations. We've eliminated the typical future state of searching through email chains or having to rely on recollection and speculation about past decisions and discussions. Finding past collaboration discussions is as easy as going to your collaboration feed. All your conversations are stored for easy access. From here, you can also connect with other people in the organization, create and manage groups, and look up attached files from previous posts. Groups can be open to the organization or they can be private. For example, you could create a group centered around a specific investment fund or client, and only members of that group would be able to access those conversations. I hope this gives you a feel for how Collaborate can accelerate work and document decisions in your organization as you use it to capture the why behind decisions. I told you this demonstration section was short. Now I'll go back to my presentation slides and share a few closing points to wrap up this product tour. So why Sage Intacct? We're the right partner to help in your success. Sage Intacct is the only financial system preferred by the AICPA, the organization that wrote the book on accounting. Every US-based company follows their standards, and they have over 431,000 members who've seen and used every accounting system out there. Of all the financial systems the AICPA has looked at, ours is the only one they prefer. No other software company can say this. We were rated number 1 in customer satisfaction by G2 Crowd this year, and we've been number 1 in customer satisfaction since 2015, based on over 2,000 verified customer reviews. Compared to our cloud peers, we've received highest scores on satisfaction, the way our product meets current business requirements, product direction, the way we focus on finance features for finance people every quarter when we do a new release, and our Net Promoter Score. More people are likely to recommend our product to others versus any other vendor. We received the highest scores on Gartner's Critical Capabilities Report for organizations with annual revenues between $50 million and $500 million, with headquarters and the majority of operations in a single country. Thank you for spending time with me today. I hope you saw some things that align with where your organization is going. We'd love to hear from you and even do a live demo of how Sage Intacct can meet your specific needs. If you want to learn more about Sage Intacct, you can try our 30-day trial, attend a webinar, follow us on Twitter, or connect with us on Facebook. Or contact us directly. We'd love to talk to you. Thank you.